Just a few days ago, the CEO of Ford, Jim Farley, made a big announcement that shocked the entire car industry. Farley revealed that Ford is going to release a new electric vehicle that will cost only $20,000. And it is going to compete with some of the best-selling EVs in the market. So let's dive into the details and find out more about this new EV from Ford. The first thing that caught everyone's attention was the price. A $20,000 electric vehicle is a game-changer in the market, and it could potentially disrupt the entire industry. Farley mentioned that this new EV will be built on a new platform, which will enable Ford to make more affordable EVs without compromising on quality. The new EV from Ford is expected to have a range of around 300 miles on a single charge, which is impressive for a vehicle that costs only $20,000. Additionally, the new EV will have fast charging capabilities, which means that you can charge it up to 80% in just 30 minutes. This is a significant improvement over some of the other affordable EVs in the market. Another exciting aspect of the new EV from Ford is its design. Farley mentioned that the new vehicle will have a sleek and modern design, which is similar to some of the more expensive EVs in the market. This means that you can get a stylish and practical electric vehicle without breaking the bank. Farley also mentioned that the new EV from Ford will be manufactured in the US, which is a significant step towards achieving the company's goal of becoming carbon neutral by 2050. This new EV is part of Ford's plan to invest $22 billion in EVs and autonomous vehicles by 2025, which is a massive commitment from the company towards a greener future. Here are some additional details about Ford's new $20,000 EV and its impact on the automotive industry. Number 1. Competition. Ford's new electric vehicle is expected to compete directly with other popular affordable EVs on the market, such as the Nissan Leaf and the Chevy Bolt. However, with its impressive range and fast charging capabilities, it could potentially outperform these competitors. Number 2. Accessibility. One of the most significant benefits of Ford's new EV is its affordability. With a price point of $20,000, it could make electric vehicles accessible to a much wider range of consumers who may have previously been priced out of the market. Number 3. Sustainability. Ford's commitment to becoming carbon neutral by 2050 is a significant driver behind the company's investment in EVs and autonomous vehicles. By manufacturing the new $20,000 EV in the US, Ford is also supporting domestic job growth and reducing emissions from transportation and shipping. Number 4. Implications for the industry. The release of Ford's new $20,000 EV could have significant implications for the automotive industry as a whole. With a major player like Ford committing to affordable EVs, it could inspire other manufacturers to follow suit and increase competition in the market. Additionally, the success of this new EV could signal a shift in consumer preferences toward more sustainable transportation options. Public and media reaction to this. Number 1. Positive consumer response. The announcement of Ford's new electric vehicle has generated a lot of excitement among consumers. Many people are thrilled about the prospect of an affordable EV with such an impressive range and fast charging capabilities. Some industry experts predict that this new vehicle could be a game changer for the electric vehicle market. Number 2. Media coverage. The announcement of Ford's new $20,000 EV has also received a lot of media attention. Major news outlets and automotive publications have covered the story extensively, with many articles highlighting the affordability and sustainability of the new vehicle. Some analysts have even suggested that this new EV could put pressure on other manufacturers to produce more affordable and accessible electric vehicles. Number 3. Investor response. The announcement of Ford's commitment to investing $22 billion in EVs and autonomous vehicles by 2025 has also been met with positive investor response. Following the announcement, Ford's stock price increased, indicating that investors are optimistic about the company's plans for the future. That's all for today's video on Ford's new $20,000 electric vehicle. We hope you found this information informative and exciting. With Ford's commitment to sustainability and innovation, this new EV could be a game changer for the automotive industry. As always, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest tech and industry news. Thanks for watching.